Hi friends, it's me, Mr. JT, and today we're talking about plants and babies. Listen up parents, for today's lesson we are going to work on spending some really quality time learning with your baby. Now, little bitty ones can't hold safety scissors, they can't use glue, so we're not really going to be practicing crafty projects until they hit 2 years old or 3 years old. Today, for the little babies, we're going to focus on sensory play and explore the backyard in a new way. For leading little ones through this type of activity, my preferred method is to teach them gentle fingers and to keep reminding them. Let me show you. Gentle fingers method is literally reminding your child that plants are living things and to touch them gently. Now use this method to explore all the textures in your backyard. Soft textures, silky textures, and smelly. Smooth textures, pretty textures, rough textures. Use this method to explore your backyard and teach your little ones about textures and about the wonderful world of plants and how to respect it. Once again, I'm Mr. JT. Thank you so much for joining the Dixon today.